For my final submission to IIT Bombay's certificate in generative AI, I built Divergence Alert T RAG, an agent-driven system that reads market data, social news, reason across time, and turns noisy signal into auditable, evidence-backed trading alerts. This application detects when public sentiment and price action disagree. Then it surfaces auditable, evidence backed explanations so that anyone, including analysts, can act faster. This is the system architecture. Mathematically, I can say when sentiment S of t and normalized price return P of t triggers an alert when st minus pt is greater than theta. That's the whole idea, the maths behind this entire project. So in one line, it turns noisy text and market feeds into precise time-aware alerts. It's an 8-node Landgraph orchestrator. A React planner calls web and various tools. An ingester pulls Y Finance, News API, and SEC filings. A retriever uses FinBERT embeddings stored in FAISS, Facebook Similarity Search. A CrossEncoder, reranker. The underlying model is MS Macro Mini LM. We can use any model that refines top candidates. A deterministic verifier enforces timestamp ticker checks. A detector flags divergence events. A dual generator, which is analyst and risk agent, synthesizes the explanations. An auditor writes provenance and cost logs. So the UI is a streamlit dashboard with Langfuse traces for observability. For the demo, I will show the streamlit run and pipeline architecture, which I have already explained. This is 8-node Landgraph pipeline, where React agent, which is planner. Then if at all, if human review is required, then it will highlight that for human intervention. Or if there is no human reviews required, if agent is satisfied, then this will come into picture and then generator will generate a nice report using multi-agent analyst and risk agents. If I go here, currently this is demo mode. I'm switching to live mode. And right now I've already ran this for Microsoft. Let's just run for Tesla. And maybe date I can choose somewhere maybe 17 to today's 22nd. So let's just choose 22nd. I've enabled multi-agent. If I disable that, it will run just for one agent. And I'm just clicking on execute pipeline. So the moment I choose Tesla, it is showing Tesla and then live mode. Date range is this. Clicking on execute pipeline, it will run the pipeline. So in just a couple of minutes, it has completed. What it did was it ingested 3 documents, 1 divergence event, and confidence is 78%. All these nodes, this pipeline is done. Let me show you one by one how these nodes are, what they have done. The planner, which is doing all the planning, it has fetched top 5 documents from 2 sources and 1 tool calls. So this was the planning of the agent, and the sources were 2 sources, News and Yahoo documents. The second step is ingester. Ingester will ingest 2 documents, 3 documents, and for 17 and 20, because 3 dates, so 3 documents it has fetched from Yahoo Finance. And then retriever has retrieved 1 document out of all of it. Currently, it has just retrieved 1 document. It depends how. And it has scored 0.6 to 62%. Re-ranker has a re-rank because this is just one document. So re-ranker just straightforward return the same document. Verifier has used just verified that one document. For Tesla, it is giving positive sentiment. Price was declining, and this is the final multi-agent report where analyst was one agent, risk was second agent, executive summary and analyst agent. It has given sentiment score, positive signal, negative signal. And finally, so in recommendation, he has this agent has given high confidence divergence detected, immediate review recommended. So it is telling that you have to review. Yeah. So just to show you how it happens, if let's say I'm just choosing Microsoft ML70 and using everything same and executing pipeline, I would like to show how it happens when it detects multiple. So here, see, in for Tesla, it has retrieved just one document. Out of three documents, it retrieved one. For Microsoft, it has retrieved two documents because there we can understand how the re-ranking has happened. So for two documents, it has given different score, 0.72 and 0.69. And see, re-ranker has re-ranked this. In some cases, it is possible that this document can come on top. And on the basis of this, it has given some description like positive sentiment while price declined. It will give us the some narrative that what needs to be done and recommendation. High confidence divergence detected. Immediate reviews recommended. This was my project for IIT Bombay, submitted by myself, and this is the entire maths and details behind scoring, evaluation, and all of these. Thank you for watching. If you would like deeper dive into any part of this project, agents, retrieval, or the math, just leave a comment below.